No! God, please, no! No!
You gotta get the fuck up out my house. Do you know that? This your last fucking week, bitch.
Nonsense. What did you do?
Abby, what'd you do to the door?
Oh my God. What is this?
Miss! The fuck did you do?
Oh yeah? What did you do?
In the fucking couch. Bro, I could kill you. What are you doing in there?
Why did you do this?
What the fuck, dude?